Hey skaters, welcome back. I am so glad you're here. I am here in the beautiful Lake Como, Italy. I've met up with a YouTube skater, Stefania. We are going to go ice skating. I'm so excited to check out this cute little seasonal rink.
The picturesque town of Como is on the very southern tip of Lake Como in the Lombardy region of northern Italy. On the other side, you can see Switzerland. Walking through the city center, the Roman origins of this city were obvious in the carefully laid out structure of the streets, which were beautifully decorated at this time of the year for the holidays. There were lights hanging between the buildings and gorgeous theatrical light displays reflected on the great walls around the square. There were trees and, of course, the most cute little Christmas markets. But walking to the rink, we went right along the edge of the lake. The rink was only separated from the lake by a small boardwalk, so it was an incredible view. As we stepped in, it just was such an incredible scene to have the ice and behind it the lake and the hills on the other side, just so picturesque. The little booths for buying your tickets and renting your skates were exactly like the ones in the Christmas markets, which is really cute. They had a tent for us to sit down and put our skates on, which I suppose would have been nice had the weather been a little bit more unpleasant. They didn't have any kind of lockers to stow our shoes or bags, but they were kind enough to put my backpack behind their skate rental booth, which I really appreciated. And with that, it was time to head out onto the ice for a little bit of skating.
So the sun has gone down and all of the cute lights have come out, and you can see in the background all of the lights on the other side of the lake. We're right on the edge of the lake. Earlier, I can see the water right there. Can you see it? Water right there. It's an absolutely adorable spot for a seasonal rink. It's fantastic. All the little shops around and just Christmassy feeling. It's really cute. So it's a little square, not huge. It's a little square, and in the middle is a Christmas tree, which is adorable. The ice is pretty typical of an outdoor rink. It's really hard, and at the moment there is an absolute ton of snow on the top. But for cute Christmassy vibes and an absolutely gorgeous location, we're on Lake Como. You can't beat that.
Now the ice did get resurfaced after a while in the most unique way I've seen.
Manual ice machine. Yeah. There we go. Our manual Zamboni. Oh no, we ran into a snag. Alright. So this guy's collecting all the snow over here on the side. This guy is dumping it into that bucket. A man-powered Zamboni.
I took advantage of that little slightly cleaner spot to do some spins. Was having a great time out there, but honestly it wasn't very long until I was approached by a skater who wanted some help with learning a few tricks she'd been working on.
So we'll do it together. Yeah? Okay, push. Good. And bend. Yes. Okay.
And of course, I can't resist helping people. I love this sport. I love sharing this sport, so I spent some time teaching her some jumps and spins.
All right, skaters, I think that is the end of our little adventure on this adorable outdoor ice rink. We did some, oh, this is Stefania. Yeah. She took me out here to this cute rink. It's been great, it's been fun. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna get something to eat?
Yeah.
Some food?
It's necessary in Italy.
That's right.
We can do without it.
And with that, it was time to say goodbye to this adorable little outdoor rink. But with many other rinks on my agenda that weekend, I had a lot more skating fun to look forward to in the Lombardy region. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow along on the rest of my skating adventures. The next one will be a rink in Varese, Italy, which is open year-round and is where some of the Olympic teams will be practicing in a few weeks.